Hello everybody, Dr. Mano here. Well, one of my latest videos, I put a mention there about how they're installing 5G in schools, so I did a little research on it and found some videos, some clips, some articles concerning the installation of 5G while the kids have to stay home, parents have to stay home, people are home from work. So this is sneaking in the elimination system. Mother child, it looks like, questioning and contractor installer putting 5G systems into a school. And we have an article from a blogger that is talking about a friend of his who is very aware that works for school district installing this equipment. So let's just get to these clips. I'm just going to do short versions of these clips because some of this could be copyrighted. This is something that came in today that I saw on Redacted Tonight VIP. 9 million people die every year from fossil fuel usage, from fossil fuels incorporated in our lives. Fascinating stat. This should be included in my video of the alternative death rates going on. All full links will be down below to follow up on this. So let's just pay attention to this, and our kids, man, it's all about our kids, and they're going to be destroying them. Okay, let's get to these clips coming up.
What are you guys doing here?
Putting a fiber optic.
What is it for?
For the school.
For what though?
Just internet.
For what kind of internet?
E-text.
Does that have anything to do with 5G?
Yes.
So they're installing 5G here at this school? Do you know why they're doing it while all the parents are at home and nobody knows what's going on?
Well, this actually started since December last year.
Mm-hmm.
And this has nothing to do with what's going on or none of that.
Okay, so it's not being done behind our backs?
No.
Do you know that 5G is going to be very harmful for children and that cancer is going to skyrocket?
No.
What you're doing is going to harm a lot of children.
I hope not. I mean, I'm just a contractor for them, so.
I know. A lot of us parents are very, very concerned, though.
Yeah.
Maybe something you might want to talk about with your chain of command or something.
Hi guys, this is Daniel Alexander Cannon here on Logic Before Authority. And this is somewhat of an emergency broadcast, and that is no joke. I've had a number of people contact me, but one specifically that is extremely credible, and I want to read our interaction to you, okay? Well, let me just read it. I work for the local school board. 5G has been getting a lot of bad press lately. We know why. The U.S. Department of Education has been wanting to roll out 5G network in many district schools. Unfortunately, the parents as a whole would try to stop the implementation of it. So the U.S. Department of Education decided to close the schools during the pandemic for two reasons. One, to make parents think it's for their children's safety against the virus. And two, to install 5G networks in many district schools. The 5G companies have been instructed to use the guise of a disinfecting company. Strict orders. If anyone asks, you are a cleaning company there to disinfect the schools. Don't tell anyone that you are installing 5G. All contractors must sign a non-disclosure agreement. I can't believe how many schools are going to roll out and implement the 5G networks in such a short period of time. Yes, it's the truth. Most of this has to be done by mid-April.
Wait while I transfer your call. High school office, this is Valerie.
Hey there. I just noticed some white vans in the parking lot. I was wondering if you could tell me what they were doing.
Who is this?
This is Jim.
Okay. From?
Just from the city, you know. I was just wondering. I noticed they were contractor vans. I was just wondering if there was anything scheduled at the high school today for them to be working on.
Yep, we've got stuff going on.
Oh, is it related to the virus at all?
No.
Oh, is it anything to do with the 5G?